Ari. Ih. From the scooter that you're riding is Umer's size, and the scooter that Umer's riding is your size. I think you guys need to switch. What do you think? Amar baju aao. Thank you for that's it. Let him do it himself. Hey. He's dancing to SpongeBob, I think. SpongeBob, that's right. Dancy! SpongeBob SquarePants. Amar, ride your scooter. Huh? શું જોવે છે? You? શું થયું? એ શું છે? એ શું છે? SpongeBob? Ah. Okay. Scooter કઈ ગયું તારું? Hey. Scooter કઈ ગયું તારું? Huh? Out of you. जा ले ले. Go. Prem, show Amar his scooter. Here you. આ બાજુ આવો. Turn his scooter around, Beta, so he can ride it this way. Turn his scooter around. You don't want to? Emma's doing it? Okay. The wire is caught, though. Just pull the wire out. आ बाजू आओ, स्कूटर राइड करो. आ बाजू आओ. Oh, बाप रे. You okay? Pay attention. Stop watching SpongeBob. I'm in your way. Brem, today was your first day of school? Huh? You had fun?
Yeah.
What did you do? What's your teacher's name? What's your teacher's name? Look at me. Hello? ADD.
Yeah.
Look at me. What's your teacher's name? Prem. What's your teacher's name?
And then Mitchell.
No. Stephanie. Miss Roxy.
With Roxy.
Miss Vidal.
Daddy.
Okay, you're boring. Let's go to the next kid. Hey. Why are you doing that? No. No. You can't play with that.
No, give me.
Amar, that scooter कहीं क्यों? चल that scooter ride करो. Go. Hey. Where are you going? Where the hell did you go? Amar. Who needs a dog when you have Umar? He's in there somewhere. Where are you? Umar! Hey! Look up. Umar! Oh well. Umar! Stop, Bram. Get out of his way. He's coming up. No, he's not.
Oh, I'm far away.
What? Almost far, far away? He's over here somewhere. Look. There he is. Hi!
Hi.
Hi!
Hi.
Guys, Bram, why is the garbage all the way in the back?